Hi everyone! Welcome to Biology Beacon. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the human microbiome. This invisible ecosystem plays a crucial role in our health and well-being. So let's explore what the microbiome is, how it affects us, and what we can do to keep it healthy. The human microbiome consists of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes that live in and on our bodies. These tiny organisms outnumber our human cells by about 10 to 1. The majority of these microbes are found in our gut, but they also live on our skin, in our mouths, and in other parts of our body. Each person's microbiome is unique, influenced by factors like diet, environment, and genetics. The microbiome performs many essential functions. In the gut, it helps with digestion by breaking down complex carbohydrates, fibers, and proteins that our bodies can't digest on their own. It also helps in the synthesis of vitamins like B and K. Beyond digestion, the microbiome plays a crucial role in our immune system. It helps train our immune cells to recognize harmful pathogens and regulates inflammatory responses. A healthy microbiome can protect us from infections and diseases. Research has shown that an imbalance in the microbiome, known as dysbiosis, is linked to various health issues. These include gastrointestinal disorders like irritable bowel syndrome, obesity, diabetes, allergies, and even mental health conditions like depression and anxiety. Scientists are also exploring the microbiome's role in conditions like autoimmune diseases, cardiovascular diseases, and cancer. The microbiome's influence on our health is far-reaching and complex. So, how can we maintain a healthy microbiome? Diet plays a significant role. Eating a diverse range of foods, especially high-fiber and fermented foods, can promote a healthy microbiome. Probiotics, found in yogurt and supplements, can also be beneficial. Avoiding unnecessary antibiotics is important, as they can disrupt the balance of microbes in the gut. Stress management, regular exercise, and getting enough sleep also contribute to a healthy microbiome. The study of the microbiome is still in its early stages, but it holds great promise for the future of medicine. Personalized microbiome therapies, such as fecal transplants and targeted probiotics, could revolutionize how we treat various diseases. As our understanding of the microbiome grows, so does the potential for new treatments and preventive measures that can improve our health and well-being. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the human microbiome. If you found this video interesting, please like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth biology insights. Remember, taking care of your microbiome is a step toward better health. See you next time on Biology Beacon.